How to stabilize video in VN Video Editor. Now in order to do this, just simply open your video which you would like to edit into the VN Video Editor. And after opening the video which you would like to stabilize, one thing that you need to remember is that VN doesn't provide direct option to stabilize a video. So what you have to do if you want to do stabilization and something similar to stabilization but not really stabilization is to increase or decrease the speed of the video to make it look like the video is stabilized. Now what happens when you slow a video is that it will move slower even though your video is not stable and moving at really fast pace. It will make the video look slower, so it will look like a stable video, so you can use that too. Or if your video is extremely fast, the viewers could not find that video is not stable also. You can use any of these tricks in VN to stabilize your video. Apart from that, VN doesn't have any specific stabilizer for your videos. I hope this video have been helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.